So I harvest some oranges off my tree. I wanted to use my juicer for the first time, and I wanted to use everything that I growed in my garden, right? So I harvest some turmeric and ginger, and I want to make a juice with my new juicer with these ingredients. Yeah, and you all can tell it was my first time using my juicer because I forgot to take the peeling off right there, but that's okay. But listen, the oranges went through the juicer like butter, and the turmeric and the ginger. I put a little pepper in my juice to activate my turmeric for that curcumin that's in the turmeric, right? It was so delicious, family. It was delicious. It gave me the energy I need to get out in my garden on this very cold morning, right? It was amazing. So now I'm in my garden. Hello, everyone. This is Linda, and I'm over here because y'all know it's been cold, but I wanted to see my calendulas. Look at that. Well, this is the one that bloomed first, and there is 3 more that is about to bloom on this plant. But she looks so fluffy, fluffy, fluffy girl. That's the way she looked. Yeah, and there's more. Oh, these are leaves from that tree. Okay. But they all doing good. It's cold out here, but everything is loving it so far. They're loving it. Later, girl. So cute. Something is in there eating it. I don't have any onions or garlic, anything in this little pot. And I haven't been out here, so something is eating. But let me get some onions and put over here. Beautiful. So this is a yellow heart choy. That's what that is. Yeah. The broccoli is getting bigger, even though they do need a feeding, but it's doing good. It's doing good. So here's some collards and brassicas and carrots. So these are the little Dollar Tree carrots here. I think that's what this is here. I don't know. Let's pull one. No, that's not the Dollar Tree carrots. I have some carrots in 3 areas, but I think these were the first ones that I dropped. Yeah, I think they were. Let's see what you look like, Mama. Cool. Ooh. My son is gonna love this because he loves carrots. Him and Jody, they put them in the air fryer, make them like French fries. They really do. It's good. I tried it with them. They love it. Let's see. And this one is smaller, but that's cool. She'll eat. Oh, wow. So, let's see back here. Oh, they got 1 or 2 back there. Let me get back there. Let's see. This one. She nice. All right. I'll bring that in. But that's the way they looking today. All right, y'all, I'm going inside. So here is, I have some cabbages over here. And of course, y'all know I have kohlrabi here. There's another kohlrabi, but she's just a baby. But that's okay. She'll get big. She'll get big. But it is so cold out here and it's gray. And yeah, we're going to be getting more cold weather. Oh boy. And of course, this is my plantains. No, they do not like this weather at all, at all. And I'm more than sure that after this next cold front come through, we'll be cutting them down. Yeah. But that's all right. They will grow right back, family. Yeah. And now she is really beginning to feel the effect of the cold, even though she's beautiful today. But yeah, she will be feeling it really soon. But she did her thing. Yeah. The peas are still looking good so far. But with this next cold system that coming in on Saturday, I don't know, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. But this is my moringa tree. Now I have a lot of pods on here that is ready to come off, but many of them are not ready. So let me go way up there. There you go. But many of them are not ready yet. So I'm not gonna take them off. I'm just gonna let them do what they do, right? Yeah, so I see some pods that's ready, and Ben is gonna come out and take them down before Saturday. Yeah, but for all the ones that is not ready yet, they're gonna deal with this cold. That's what it is. So this is an elephant ear who have succumbed to the cold. She's like, hell no, I don't want to be a part of this. I know, girl. I don't either. But she's like, no, I ain't down. I ain't down with this. And I have this elephant ear over here. This is the one that's been making all of the flowers. You see, there's still a flower there. She's still there, right? But many of the leaves are turning yellow because of all of the cold. And from what I understand, we're going to have a huge blast of cold come here Saturday. Saturday will be the beginning of this very cold front, and I think it ends. I think it stays Saturday and Sunday, and it'll be gone by Sunday night. But we all gonna suffer through this because, family, I am not a fan of cold weather. If I wanted to live in cold weather, I would move to the north. But this is what God have sent my way, and this is what I will be dealing with, right? So this is what we're doing. This is what we're doing. But I know that here in my area, January and February is our coldest months. Many people think that, New Orleans, do not get any cold weather. So let me just give you a little history. I have a picture, and if I find that picture, I'm going to put it right there. My grandsons were very, very young. Matter of fact, this was 2008. That's when this picture was, 2008, December 11th, which is my birthday. That picture, you all see what that stuff is? It's snow. It snowed here in New Orleans, 2008. On December 11th, we had snow. So it's not like snow, we never seen snow. We had a lot of snow, but I'm not afraid of snow. No, it's not beautiful to me. I mean, it's just not. I don't want it. So, but anyway, I digress. We're gonna deal with God send to us, and I'm gonna thank God for whatever He brings that I see it. All right, all right, family.